How to fix Facebook two-factor authentication required. In this video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. Then go directly and open apps option. Here, as you see, you'll find all the applications that you have already on your phone. Search only for Facebook. Open Facebook now. And what's next? You need to do, you have to go to storage, and on storage, guys, you have to click on clear data, click OK, and click on clear cache, and you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. And after this, you have to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, your problem will be solved. So I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.